Hi all, this is David Armenta here in Tucson, Arizona. I am your real estate professional. So one of the things we're going to go over today is how do I even get started, right? Let's say you're interested in real estate and don't even know where to start. Well, I'm going to guide you through that right here. So the very first thing that you want to do is do the state requirements, right? You have this education program that you need to obtain first, and it's usually like 90 credit hours here in Arizona. I believe it's the same in California. And so you need to do the school courses first. Usually it's 3 if you want to be a salesperson. So the thing you got to distinguish is salesperson and a broker. There's a salesperson program. That's what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and look up, there's a whole bunch, online Arizona salesperson course. Right, and choose one. This is all random here. One that I'm familiar with, and I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just happen to go there. All right, is Hogan School of Real Estate. Right, that's a popular one here in Tucson. I believe they're up in Phoenix too. But this one's pretty easy. I'm familiar with this one, so this is the one I'm going to teach. So you go on here. And it's taking a while. Okay. And you go to, see, you have real estate sales agent and real estate broker, right? So you go here, you go to the pre-licensing. You'll need this one. This is, I believe, like 9 credit hours. And then once you get your pre-licensing, you need to do continued education, which I believe is, I think 24 credit hours every 2 years. So you go here and you look at packages. They have different packages, but the basic one is all you really need. You just need the 90 credit hours. So you just go on there. I don't know what this one has. It has prep. So it just really depends on you. You can do whatever you want, but this is all you really need right there. And so you go there, and then so anyways, you buy it, right? So you'll need this one, 3 hours, okay. And you'll need the salesperson pre-licensing course. So it's 700 something bucks. Anyways, you can do it online. So let's check out, see what happens. And then yeah, so that's how you do it there. So essentially, you'll start going to class, start doing your coursework. Once you're done with the courses, that might take, I think, 2 weeks, a month. I don't know what they have going on now. You get that out of the way, right? Then the next thing is you have to take a school exam. And it's almost the same thing. It's like a simulated state exam. So once you do that, then you're allowed to take the state exam. So courses first, which is your pre-licensing, your contract writing, right? You do those 2. Then it's your school exam, right? Once you pass that, then you got to get your fingerprints, your background check. There's a whole checklist that they're going to give you, and they'll set you up. So this is just actually kind of just to get you in the right direction, but this is the whole global thing, right? Height perspective. Then you apply. Then you have to take the state exam. You schedule that through Pearson VUE, whatever it is, and if you pass, then you apply with the Arizona Department of Real Estate. And then it should be quick, maybe a week, 2 weeks, or whatever. I think last time an agent that we just onboarded, yeah, it took him like about a week. It was really quick. And that's it. So easier said than done. So hopefully you can pass it on the first one. If you have any questions or are excited about becoming a real estate agent, please reach out to me. I'm here to guide you and help you. All right. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.